Hello everybody, so this is the tutorial how to sell your crypto to euro and obtain transfer for your bank account in euro. At the beginning, of course, you have to create account on platform bitget.com. You have to have, for example, driver's license and give you data to undergo KYC so that they know who you are, know your client. After that, you have to send them some small amount of money so that they are sure what is your bank account number, and then they can transfer to your bank account your money that you have from selling your crypto. So that in order to do the first transfer, you go to buy crypto. As you can see, everywhere are buttons buy crypto, buy card, credit card. That's very quick. It's very easy to buy crypto, but it's not so easy to sell crypto to fiat money, just like euro, and get your bank accounts transfer. And first you have to do small transfer with money from your bank account to them. So you click bank deposit and then next. And if you have account in euro, in Europe also, because I am doing that from Europe, that's not everywhere all over the world, you have to live in Europe. You are doing your transfer, some small amount, for example 10 euro or 5 euro, and they are getting your money in about 1 to 2 working days. You will be notified on your email that the transfer is successful, and then you can sell your crypto and get your money. How to do this? This is also not so easy. First of all, of course, you have to have your account here, and you have to transfer your crypto to bitget. How to do this? Well, you have to click to your wallet and your assets. This is, I did it for example, and your spot asset, and you can create account for every crypto and click deposit, and then you become the number of your address, and you can send crypto to bitget. When you already have sent the crypto you want to sell on bitget platform, then you go to trade and convert. For me, it's best to convert all your crypto to USDT, because it's very easy to sell USDT. When you do this, you go another one time to spot, and then you go to your fiat, and you are searching that you are transferring your USDT to euro. Yeah, so that let's search USDT and USDT to euro. And this is the place when you sell your crypto to euro. Here we got sell. We are inputting the quantity, how much of our USDT, which we have of course previously converted from another crypto, we want to sell, and we are clicking sell, and then we have our money on our fiat euro account, but now on bitget platform. Now we only have to send it to our previously done bank account, so that we are clicking our wallet and fiat. Here we see how much euro we have, and we are clicking withdrawal, and when we click next, here will be our bank account. That's why they need first to send them some money, and in 1 or 2 working days you will get your money to your bank account. I hope it was helpful. This platform is quite complicated, as I said before. It's easy to buy crypto everywhere, but it's not so easy to sell the crypto and transfer your money in euro to bank system, to your bank account. Of course, you have to check your tax regulation in your country, because sometimes, just like in my country, you have to pay tax if you are getting money from crypto. See you!